Okay, at this point, we're going to make a basic graphic for our project. So I am going to hit Control T or Command T. So I put my playhead anywhere that I want. It's just going to put a graphic. So, oh, sorry, we're clicked in. So Control T puts us up a new text layer. And as we know, when we're in Premiere, if we want to modify something, we put our playhead over top and we double click. By double clicking, we then activate it, and we would then go to our effects controls to work on the clip. So first thing I want to do is I want to come over and do my text. Be like, homecoming rally. All right. And then we have two ways we can move it. I can click the selection arrow and I can drag it around the screen, or I can double click the file and I can take my position, which we just used recently when we were doing movements, and I can move the item. Got to make sure that I'm moving just my graphic. Okay, so you got to be sure where you are and what you're moving. Okay, that's why the arrows can be a lot easier than if you're trying to move something else. Okay. So quite easy to just move just like this. I'm gonna put it up in the top corner, which then allows me some more space. Okay, I can use the nodes on the sides and top and bottom to make stuff larger. I can also do the same thing in my effects controls. Okay, I can change lots of things, including the style of the font, the positioning of the font, the alignment, the size. Can do different colors. Right now we have it on purple. I can make my purple lighter. Okay, my stroke is big so you can see homecoming rally. There are other changes you can make down here. You see your positions are at different spots than original because we brought it up and to the left. And then I'm going to take the entire clip and I'm just going to put it right over top of my opening scene. I'm going to shrink it down just so it fits the same size. And now I have my homecoming rally graphic while my intro occurs. I do not know why I still have this audio. So just got rid of that audio. So at this point, we've created a basic graphic in Premiere. We made some modifications when it came to style, color, and attributes to the font, did some movement, and then we overlaid it, which would be superimposing over our current video. Superimpose means you're going to be on your top layer. Okay, so that's what we're looking at, and that's what we have here. So I'm going. Okay, everybody, now we are in After Effects, and I'm going to make a quick graphic to go along with my rally highlight. So I'm going to do new composition, HD TV 1080 24. That is exactly what we want. I'm going to make the duration of it 3 seconds, make it a little bit shorter. Quarter resolution is fine. Start time code zeros, and the background will be black because black is transparent. So remember, black background means transparent, but also means black background in itself. I don't want to change the color because the color is easier to change in other programs. Okay, click OK. Now what I want to do is I'm going to make myself a text layer. So just put This is really slow. Okay. RCHS band. All right. So what I'm going to do here is going to highlight it. Not going to go with green today. I'm going to try to stick with something in the purple family. Click OK. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to add an effect. So I have my effects and presets. Then I go to animation presets. Then I go to text. Just going to use something from lights and optical. I'm going to do bubble pulse. So I pull it out, I put it right over my text, and I let it go. I hit the space bar once so I can see what it's doing. Okay, I like it. Awesome. I'm going to save my file. So Control S on a PC, Command S on a Mac. I'm going to go into my Rally highlight folder because that's where I want to save this project. And I'm going to call this RCHS band. Okay. I'm now going to quit out of After Effects. Then I'm going to go into my project folder. I'm going to go to my Rally highlights and I'm going to launch my Rally highlight project again. At this point, I am ready to bring in my After Effects composition. I don't have to save. I didn't need to render. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to import the current project itself. So I am back in Premiere now. Control I to import in PC, Command I to import inside of the Mac system. I go to my desktop, I go to my projects, I go to my Rally highlight, and I see RCHS band, and it has an AE graphic next to it. So I double click it to open it. And what's going to happen is it brings up the composition. Right now it's thinking. And I am not looking to do anything else but bring in the composition. So once the composition comes up here, I click on Comp 1, I click OK. Now, Composition 1 is now in my Project tab. I click, I drag, I move it out. I'm going to put it over clip 3 because I'm pretty sure clip 3 is where the band is. So at this point, Oporto is struggling again with being able to play the video. But what's going to happen is this video is going to be superimposed again. So this After Effects video is superimposed over clip number 3. So that is how you work in After Effects and bring it into your Premiere Pro project. All right, we're back. Kind of back. Almost not back. All right, so stop the recording.